ബത്ലഹേം. പലസ്തീനിലെ ജെറൂസലമിൽ നിന്ന് 10 കിലോമീറ്റർ അകലെയാണ് ബത്ലഹേം പട്ടണം സ്ഥിതി ചെയ്യുന്നത്. യേശുവിൻ്റെ ജനനം കൊണ്ട് അനുഗ്രഹീതമായ പട്ടണമാണ് ബത്ലഹേം. ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും പുരാതനമായ ക്രൈസ്തവ സമൂഹം ഉള്ളത് ഇവിടെയാണ്. യേശുവിൻ്റെ ജനനം അടയാളപ്പെടുത്തിയ ചർച്ച് ഓഫ് നാറ്റിവിറ്റിയാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ പ്രധാന ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് കേന്ദ്രം.
Especially, but for the Muslims also. Why? Because we believe for all the prophets, right? This is the difference between us as a Muslims and between the Jewish and the Christian. Okay? What is the importance of this place? You know, Maria grew and was live in Nazareth. In Nazareth, the angel announced Maria, Sayyida Maryam alayhi salam, that she will born a child with the name Isa alayhi salam. But she hasn't married. How can she born without to marry? So she escaped because it's not something usually. She take some place to the east from Nazareth and to continue here to Bethlehem. And in Bethlehem she born Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam in the cave inside here. After, in the Byzantine period, they built a church, and this church continue till now original. When the Paras Iranian people, Al-Furs, as we said, Al-Furs, come here, he not destroyed this church, but destroyed the most of the church in Palestine. Why? Because they saw that Majus, you know what's the Majus? Majus, it's the fires, yes. So when say the symbol of Majus, it was here, said, oh, it belongs us, we don't want to destroy it. And they keep everything original. Okay? We want to go now inside, in the door that is not tall. You have to keep your head, and you have to remember here Muslims and Christians live together. Build a mosque there. You say the mosque is with the name Masjid Umar. Masjid Umar here, Nativity Church here in Jerusalem is specular Kanisat al-Qiyami, and near Masjid Umar. And Masjid Umar in Jerusalem have another story.